Have you ever wondered what mysteries lie beneath the surface of the deep, dark ocean? Well, your curiosity is about to be rewarded. We're about to embark on a journey into the unknown, exploring the unfathomable depths of our planet's waters. From the vastness of the ocean's expanse to the life that thrives in extreme conditions, to the impact it has on our weather, we have it all covered. So strap in and prepare for a deep dive into knowledge. Dive in with us as we count down the top 10 most intriguing facts about the deep oceans. Starting off at number 10, the sheer size of the oceans is truly mind-boggling. Covering well over 70% of our planet's surface, the oceans are a vast expanse of mystery and wonder. But it's not just the surface area that's impressive. The average depth of the ocean is about 2.5 miles, with the deepest part known as the Mariana Trench, plunging over 7 miles below the surface. Can you imagine that? It's like stacking over 12 Mount Everests on top of each other. Yet, despite their immense size, we've only explored about 5% of the world's oceans. The rest remains a mystery waiting to be discovered. It's a humbling reminder of just how much we don't know about our own planet. That's right, we've explored less of our oceans than the surface of the moon. At number 9, life finds a way, even in the most extreme conditions. Delving into the deep, dark corners of the ocean, we discover a world of bizarre and resilient organisms. These are creatures that have adapted to survive in a realm where the pressure is 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and temperatures can plummet to just above freezing. Imagine, if you can, creatures like the fang-tooth fish, with its imposing teeth and pressure-resistant body, or the ethereal Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins, that maneuvers effortlessly in the crushing pressure of the deep sea. Then there are the bioluminescent creatures that generate their own light to navigate the inky darkness. These organisms have transformed what was once thought to be an inhospitable wasteland into a thriving ecosystem. Their existence challenges our understanding of life's limitations and highlights the ocean's remarkable biodiversity. In the deep, life isn't just surviving, it's thriving. Coming in at number 8, did you know the deep oceans play a crucial role in our weather systems? These vast bodies of water are not just home to an array of diverse marine life, but they also act as the world's thermostat, regulating the Earth's climate. The oceans absorb about 1/3 of the carbon dioxide generated by human activities, reducing the impact of greenhouse gases. They also absorb heat from the sun, distributing it around the globe through currents. This process helps moderate temperatures and influences weather patterns. In colder regions, the ocean releases this stored heat, warming the surrounding air and leading to milder climates. The water cycle, which is vital for all life on Earth, is also driven by the oceans through evaporation, cloud formation, and precipitation. And let's not forget the role of the oceans in creating our wind systems. The interaction between ocean currents and wind patterns can lead to phenomena like El Niño or La Niña, which have global weather impacts. So next time you check the weather forecast, give a nod to the deep oceans. Number 7 on our list, the deep oceans are a potential gold mine for medical research. Imagine a pharmacy, but not just any pharmacy. This one is vast, unexplored, and teeming with millions of unknown organisms. That's the deep sea for you. These organisms have adapted to survive in extreme conditions that we can hardly fathom: immense pressure, freezing temperatures, and complete darkness. To do so, they've evolved unique biochemical processes and compounds. And these very adaptations, my friends, could be the key to breakthroughs in medical research and drug discovery. From cancer treatments to painkillers, the ocean's bounty has already given us a taste of its potential. For example, a compound derived from a deep-sea sponge is now a potent treatment for certain types of cancer. But we've barely scratched the surface. There's a whole world of possibilities down there waiting to be discovered. Who knows? The cure for the next big disease may be lurking in the deep sea. At number 6, the ocean floor is a lot more than just sand and rocks. It's a world of extreme conditions, home to a landscape as varied and dramatic as any found on dry land. Picture this: towering underwater mountains, some of which are even higher than those on the surface. These are known as seamounts, and they punctuate the ocean floor with their majesty. But that's not all. There are also vast plains, aptly named abyssal plains, which are some of the flattest, smoothest areas on Earth. And then there are the trenches, the deepest parts of the ocean, plunging to depths that would dwarf even the highest peaks on Earth. The Mariana Trench, for instance, is so deep that if you were to drop Mount Everest into it, the peak would still be over a mile underwater. And let's not forget the mid-ocean ridges, the longest mountain chain on our planet, most of it hidden beneath the ocean's surface. The ocean floor is a landscape as diverse and fascinating as any on land. Number 5 on our countdown, the deep oceans hold the key to one of the world's most enduring mysteries, the Bermuda Triangle. Nestled in the Atlantic, this infamous area has been the site of numerous unexplained disappearances of ships and airplanes. Theories abound, ranging from alien abductions to magnetic anomalies. Some suggest that the deep ocean currents and underwater topography within the triangle might be responsible. It's believed that powerful underwater currents could potentially pull vessels under, while the uneven ocean floor with its sudden drop-offs and steep mountains could cause navigational challenges. Then there's the idea of methane hydrates, gas deposits on the ocean floor that can, theoretically, cause water density to drop, sinking ships. There's also the theory of rogue waves, massive walls of water that can appear suddenly and swamp even the largest of ships. The deep oceans may hold the answers to the Bermuda Triangle, but for now, it remains a mystery. Coming in at number 4, our actions are having a profound impact on the deep oceans. The beauty and serenity of the ocean depths are increasingly marred by the pervasive issue of pollution. Plastic waste, in particular, has become a ubiquitous invader, with microplastics now being found even in the deepest trenches. These tiny fragments, remnants of our throwaway culture, are consumed by marine life, disrupting food chains and ecosystems. But it's not just plastic. Noise pollution is another unseen but harmful intruder. The hum of ship engines, the seismic blasts of oil exploration, they all contribute to a cacophony that can stress or even harm marine creatures, many of which rely on sound for communication and navigation. And let's not forget chemical pollutants which can seep into the ocean from land, air, and by direct discharge, posing a serious threat to marine life and biodiversity. It's a stark reminder that our actions on land can have far-reaching effects beneath the waves. At number 3, the deep ocean is one of the quietest places on Earth. This profound silence isn't just a characteristic, it's a necessity. The stillness allows marine life to communicate, navigate, and hunt effectively. A whale's call, for example, can travel thousands of miles unhindered. This tranquility also reduces stress for sea creatures, contributing to their survival in the harsh conditions of the deep sea. Remarkably, it's a world where the absence of sound speaks volumes. In the deep ocean, silence isn't just golden, it's essential. Number 2 on our list, the depth of the ocean is truly staggering. Imagine if you were to stack 5.5 Empire State Buildings one on top of the other. That's how deep the ocean can get. Down there, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. It's like having 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. Yet incredibly, life persists, with species adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. The deep ocean is a world of pressure that few creatures can survive. And finally, the most surprising fact about the deep oceans. Prepare to have your mind blown. Despite the oceans covering over 70% of our Earth's surface, we've explored less than 5% of them. Yes, you heard that right. We know more about the surface of Mars than about the depths of our own oceans. It's a realm teeming with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Imagine for a moment the kind of unknown creatures lurking in the inky blackness, the lost civilizations that might be hidden beneath the waves, or the untapped resources waiting to be discovered. The ocean, with its vast and largely unexplored expanse, is a testament to the limit of human knowledge and the boundless potential for discovery. It's a surprising fact, but it's also a humbling reminder of the great unknown that lies right here on our own planet. And there you have it, the most surprising fact about the deep oceans. From the vastness of the oceans to the most surprising fact, we've dived deep into the mysteries of the deep oceans. We've explored the incredible life under extreme conditions, how the oceans impact our weather, and the potential pharmacy beneath the waves. We've navigated the enigmatic ocean floor, pondered the Bermuda Triangle, and considered the challenges of pollution and profound silence. We've plumbed the astounding depths and surfaced with surprising facts. Thanks for joining us on this deep-sea adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.